Alright, here's our third and last example of how to go from vertex form to standard form. First thing we have to do is take care of that squared, that 2, that exponent. I have to square everything in here. This one has an a value. The first one we did not have an a value, it was 1. This one has 1/2. Sorry, the second one had a negative. This one has a 1/2. It's an actual number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by writing that 1/2 and my parentheses. I will then multiply x minus 4 times x minus 4 and put in these parentheses. It's going to go in to these parentheses here. The -7 goes on the end. To multiply my binomials, I am going to use the box method. If you can FOIL it, first, inside, outside, last, you are welcome to do that. If not, here's the box method. X minus 4, x minus 4 right there. X times x is x squared. X times -4 is -4x. This one is also going to be -4x. And then -4 times -4 is going to be +16. Please do not forget, these are like terms. That is my little peanut. This box goes first, my x squared. Then I have -4 plus -4. That's going to be -8x. And then I have my 16. This is the only one you combine. If not, it goes in order. This one, these two, this one. Plus 16. Now what I'm going to do is I have to distribute. Last time we did this, we distributed the -1. Now we have to distribute the 1/2. 1, 2, 3 times. We have to distribute the 1/2 3 times. 1/2 times x squared is going to be 1/2 x squared. If you notice, if my a for my vertex form is 1/2, that's going to stay a. So when I have my equations down here and I do a, b, and c, this a is always going to be 1/2. It's actually the same a value. 1/2 times -8, 1/2 of -8 is -4x, and then 1/2 times 16 is +8, and I'm going to bring down that -7. Then I'm going to come down. I'm going to look for like terms. No like terms, no like terms. Okay. 8 and -7 are like terms. Wonderful. Just a reminder, if I am doing this in the calculator, and I want to do 8 minus 7 or 8 plus -7, there's only 2 ways to do this. My first way is 8, and I can do 8 minus 7. That's what I see. I could also say I'm adding these two together. I have 8 plus -7 also gets me the same answer. Please do not do 8 minus -7. It will not be the same. So we have 1/2 x squared minus 4x plus 1. Again, you should easily see this. There are more positives than negatives by 1. There's my 1 there. A is 1/2. Again, that carries all the way through. It's the only one that's the same from A, B, H, and K. The other do not hold true. So my B then is -4, and my C is +1. Those are my different values there.